So, in the series of Intro to A, my day, in the series of Intro to AI, I'm covering applications of AI in everyday life. So if I'm looking off, I'm looking at my notes. So there's so many ways to use AI in everyday life. One of those ways is with everyday tech. Smartphones. You can use AI on your smartphone. Let me make sure my volume is up. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so everyday tech, smartphones is one of the ways. Voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, these are all AI features. Camera features, facial recognition, scene detection, portrait mode, those are AI features. Text prediction and autocorrect. Autocorrect be getting a little ghetto, correcting some words I don't want corrected. Yes, I use ebonics. Urban vernacular. Improving communication efficiency. Social media, giving personalized recommendations. Facebook, Instagram. TikTok. Has TikTok been giving anybody else problems? Like, I couldn't upload to TikTok, and I made the unfortunate mistake of removing TikTok from my phone. And now I don't even see it in the App Store, but thank God for YouTube. God, yes, my Lord. Okay, anyway, in regards to TikTok, it suggests content based on your interests and engagement. Content moderation. AI helps identify and remove harmful or inappropriate content. And you can set this up in like any setting that you have, whichever AI you choose to use, right? Search engines, improve search results. AI algorithms refine search results and provide more relevant information. And this is definitely true. It's very helpful. Voice search, using voice commands to search the web. Home and entertainment, streaming services offering personalized recommendations. Netflix, Spotify, YouTube suggest content based on your viewing and listening history. Smartphone home devices like smart speakers, controlling music, lights, and appliances with voice commands. Smart thermostats, learning your preferences and adjusting temperature accordingly. Smart security systems, facial recognition, motion detection, and intrusion alerts. Gaming. With AI-powered opponents, challenging and engaging gameplay experiences. Game development. AI assists in game design, character development, and level creation. If you've been following this series, Intro to AI so far, in my personal experience with AI, as a creative, it can actually create tracks. I'm kind of leery to go and find the AI that can write songs, because songwriting's been my shtick for years. But I'm sure it can do it. If it can make beats, it can write songs. Also, now you have transportation, you have self-driving cars. Tesla has shown us that. Autonomous vehicles that can navigate roads and make driving decisions. Now, as I'm talking about all of these things, I'm sure as you're listening, there's so many things that go through our mind. But I'm choosing to live in a positive space, not ignoring or foregoing the cons. And I feel like I need to state that. Maybe that's just my own personal bias because it's in my head. But there are pros and cons to everything. And we know the cons, right? Of an autonomous vehicle that can drive itself. Somebody can take control and drive off the road or drive you somewhere else. But we want to stay on the positive side of things. Traffic navigation, real-time traffic updates, and optimized routes using AI-powered mapping apps. Ride-sharing services, AI-powered matching algorithms for efficient ride-sharing experience. I think that's something that would definitely be very useful. Healthcare, you can use AI in healthcare medical diagnosis. AI assists in diagnosing diseases and identifying potential health risks. Drug discovery, AI accelerates the process of drug development and discovery. Personalized medicine, tailoring treatment plans to individual patients' needs and genetic makeup. Business and finance is another area that you can use AI in. Customer service, chatbots and virtual assistants provide customer support and answer inquiries. I've experienced that in day-to-day life. Fraud detection. AI-powered algorithms make high-frequency trade-ins in the financial markets. Personalized marketing, targeted advertising, and personalized recommendations for customers. And then the last category that I want to cover is education. It's personalized learning. AI-powered educational platforms adapt to individual learning styles and pace. Intelligent tutoring systems provide personalized feedback and support to students. Automated grading. AI assists in grading assignments and providing feedback. Now, I wanted to further expound, and I was challenged in this regard. I'm still on my AI good night guide, and I'm not going to veer from that. But I've seen some articles and I've seen some comments about both, right? And how AI could potentially negatively affect the environment. So, my question then was, what are some ethical and societal implications of AI in everyday life? The truth is job displacement. We haven't seen much of that as of yet. But because, for example, there's automation of tasks. AI-powered automation can replace human workers in various industries, leading to job loss. So, skills mismatch is another potential issue. The skills required for the jobs of the future may not align with the skills of the current workforce, leading to unemployment. Bias and discrimination. We don't need AI for that. Algorithmic bias. AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases in data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Privacy concerns. AI systems often collect and process vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy and data security. Now, I will say something. I did a personal test of privacy, and there's still an opportunity for people, if you go into your settings of whatever platform or thing you're using, and implement passwords and passcodes. There's a way to circumvent information being shared. Surveillance and privacy. Mass surveillance. Okay. AI-powered surveillance technologies can be used to track individuals and monitor their behavior. Facial recognition technology raises concerns about privacy and potential misuse for mass surveillances or discriminatory purposes. Autonomous weapons. Development of autonomous weapon systems raises serious ethical concerns about the potential for misuse and the loss of human control over warfare. Existential risks, superintelligence. Now, I want to say this. Superintelligence does not exist. The development of superintelligent AI could pose an existential threat to humanity if it is not aligned with human values. Unforeseen consequences. The long-term consequences of widespread AI adoption are difficult to predict, could have unintended negative impacts on society. And also addressing ethical implications, transparency, and explainability. Developing AI systems that are transparent and explainable so we can understand how they make decisions. Overall, I will continue to rave about AI. I am currently working with a new AI platform, and I'm excited to give my review and feedback on it. I will say it, and I'll probably say it in every video that I make. There are pros and cons to everything. It's wise to be knowledgeable of both sides. That way you make an informed decision, but I try to be as unbiased as possible. This is a channel that is advocating for AI, specifically in business. So if you are an entrepreneur, you're creative, it is very useful in what it is that you do. In your everyday life, even if you use AI, utilize AI, you still have to there's a level of work that you still have to do. So that is it for this series, Intro to AI, Applications of AI in Everyday Life. I'm coming out with a new series next week, so you gotta circle back. Make sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna keep diving deep into not just what AI is and how it's useful in business, but also certain resources and tools that will be useful for your business, your creative endeavors. Until next time.